I don't usually do videos like this, but I have to address this little Timmy called Mr. Fridge, who is just hating on someone because they didn't make an epilepsy warning visible enough. Now, if you don't know about this, my friend Chaotic Cyan decided to he made a comment on a video because there was an epilepsy. It was like, you know, them like following that, why my brother doing it now? Following that hotel thing, and they did an epilepsy warning, but it wasn't that visible. So my friend Chaotic Cyan decided to comment a video saying about that, and then other people were defending Mr. Fridge because, I don't know, they must just be little Timmies as well. Also, here is the video, but do not watch it if you've got epilepsy, okay? He also threatened me and him. Yeah, here's proof. So, all I'm saying is, this guy is an idiot, and don't show any hate to him, but please just address it or something.